to share with you two very simple tips to help you avoid distractions that can often slow down or even totally block your organizing progress. Hi everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ911. Thank you for clicking on this video and stopping by. If you like watching organizing tips, go ahead and click on that subscribe button below and click the like button as well while you're at it, and maybe even say hi in the comments below. Okay, so let's get started. In this video, like I said, I'm going to share with you two very simple tips that can help you keep the progress going on any organizing project. Now, have you ever been working on an organizing project and you come across an item that really doesn't belong in that area? So you grab that item and you go to relocate it to the place that it's supposed to be, and when you get to that place, you happen to notice there was something that you needed to be fixing in that area. So you stop and you fix what you need to do in that area, but that reminds you needed to call and set a few appointments. So you go to your phone and you start making those appointments, and before you know it, 2 or 3 hours have gone by, or the entire day, and you head back to that original area that you were trying to organize, only to find out that no progress has been made. Why? Because you got distracted. So that brings me to tip number 1. When you start an organizing project, always have a relocation bin in the room you are organizing. And I even go one extra step. I put the bin in the doorway so I cannot leave that area without climbing over the bin. That way, as you're organizing, anytime you find an item that doesn't belong in that area, instead of taking it to that location, you put it in your relocation bin, and at the end of your project, you grab the bin and you can go all over your house, putting all the items you found in their rightful place. So have that relocation bin sitting right in your doorway so you can't leave that area you're trying to organize. Now, tip number 2, have a colored bin, one that you can't see through, that you can use as a just-in-case bin. Let me explain. Oftentimes when you're organizing a room, you will come across items that are really tough to decide whether to keep or let go of. Sometimes they have a sentimental connection. Other times you're just like, well, I might need it just in case. I always say put it in a just in case bin and then close it up at the end of the project and store it maybe in your garage or in a basement or even your attic. Keep it closed up in that for about a month, and then after a month, if you still feel you can't live without it or you've missed it, go ahead and pull it out and find a proper home for it. The rest of the items that you haven't given a thought about for a month or two, or can even remember that they were in there, that's life telling you those items have to go. The beauty of that just-in-case bin is that your items are still safely with you while you see if you can truly live without it. If you can't remember what you put in that bin, that's kind of like telling you that item really wasn't important enough for you to keep. It's just a tool to help you in making those decisions. So again, use a relocation bin and use a just-in-case bin to help you keep moving forward in your organizing project. I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and stick around for a while. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. See you next time. This video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.